Hi, my name is Vivian Dittmar, and in my workshop, Transpersonal Feelings, Transrational Thoughts, an Experiential Journey, I want to take you into actually experiencing what it feels like in your system to experience feelings and emotions as transpersonal. So beyond your personal me and mine. And I want to take you into the experience of transrational thought, the realms of thought that are beyond your rational mind. And I will give you an opportunity to explore the connection between the two. Let's take the time together to become still, to connect with ourselves, and to actually experience what it takes to evolve both the feeling realm into the transpersonal and the thinking realm into the transrational. I look forward to having you in my workshop.